Hey guys, today I'm working with an LG French door bottom freezer, stainless steel. It's got ice and water in the door, and I'm going to show you that all that works. But first, before I go fanning the doors and stuff, I want to show you that it's at temperature, right where it's supposed to be. So we just hit this. It's supposed to be at -6 in the freezer, about 37 in the fridge. So we'll go ahead and open this up, shoot this right in here. This thing's fairly accurate. It's just right about where it's supposed to be there. So I'll snap a picture of that for the ad. And of course, the more I stand here and fan the doors, the more the temperature is going to go down. But then you've got this side ice maker in here. If you can see, it's got some ice down in there. And everything is nice and clean there. We come down here. Show you that we got. Well, the top drawers are going to be a little bit colder, but there you go, -16. Down here it's about -12. So of course they'll even right out to about where it's supposed to be. So it's actually even a little bit colder in here set on full blast. And I do have it set on full blast. Typically you'd set your freezer right at about 0. And it's going to fluctuate anywhere from 10 below to 2 above, and as it goes through its cycles and defrosts and all that. So let me grab my cup and I'll show you that the water and ice work. Alright, so now I've got my cup and I'll show you here. We've got, let's just switch over to crushed. Does an excellent job there. Crushed ice. And we'll switch over cube. Oh, there's the rest of that crushed ice, and then we got cubes on top there. Let's see, and then water. You can see all that works great. And I actually just put a brand new water filter in here. So let's see, filter, we're gonna hold that for 3 seconds to reset. Show you what I'm doing here. I'm pretty sure that's how you do it. There we go. So you have 6 months on this brand new filter I just put in there. So, and then there you go. As you can see, you can fill it all the way to the top here, but you got nice water. So that's good to go. It'll take about 24 hours for it to start dropping ice, and you always want to pitch the first couple of batches. A little tip on the ice there. But now you know everything on it works perfect. We've got perfect temperature, ice, water, and it's in excellent shape. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up, wipe it down, and take some quality pictures that you'll be able to flip through on the ad, and full description there. So go ahead and read through that. If you have any questions beyond the ad, just reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Thanks, and have a great day.